Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not provide for this option, selected multiple invoices duplicate, but using this bulk duplicate invoice you can do this. So let's see. You can see here our module the bulk duplicate invoice. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to invoicing. Select multiple invoice, go to action menu and see here these options, duplicate invoice, click on and click on this button duplicate. So see here this 4 invoice is duplicated. Thank you.